All right, I'm gonna pop the hood right under here. Now reach underneath the Subaru emblem and push to the left. Now I'm going to be using the Fram Ultra Air, and it's going to be 12295. And the air filter is right underneath here. There's 2 clips and clamps at the top. And then at the bottom here, there's actually kind of hooks at the bottom, opposite of these. At the bottom, there's like 2 hooks that you have to hook into and then close it up. So I'll show you that. So this is pretty simple. I am just gonna unhook these and use a little bit of force to push this out. Like so. And of course, at the bottom, there's the hooks I'm talking about. So you have to lift up. So you notice I lift it up a little bit, and that gives you more space. But you still have to use 2 hands at the bottom here and push at the bottom to lift this out. So you might want to stand at the side so you have, you know, a good look here. Notice when I took it out, it's horizontal, so I'm going to put it back horizontal. Now, just to give you a closer look at the hooks, I am going to zoom in here. And hopefully you could see at the bottom there. You know, there's the 2 holes at the bottom. So when you put this back, make sure to hook it in like that. You know, and then close out the top. So hook the bottom with the 2 holes. So that gives you an idea of where the holes are. And let me just take this out and show you. So this particular one actually is not so bad. You know, but let's switch it anyway. So I got my new Fram Ultra 12295, and I'm going to keep it horizontal. So put it in like this, and just to show you a side by side, you know, it looks like that. And you know, the size is right, so just you know, check the size really quickly. And I'm gonna just put it in. So I'm gonna stand to the side here because it's just easier to work with when you're from the side. Make sure these are horizontal and not vertical like this, just horizontal. So let me give you a close-up here as I'm doing this. So the reason why I chose this particular one, it's orange and it shows up pretty well. So just make sure it's all the way in. You know, you could tell with the sides at the bottom there. You know, so just take your time. You know, it's gonna take me longer because I'm doing a video here. So let me just pop this in. And again, it might be easier if you're simply standing to the side, so you have a view from that angle. And then, you know, just shifting this in. You know, putting your hands down there. And same with this side. Make sure it's a good seal. So I'm going to show you this again close up after I put it in. So you want to do double check, and that's why I like this particular one. It's because it's orange, so you could see, you know, the sides easier, that it's really snug at the bottom. So I'm going to zoom in here, and you could see, you know, the holes, and also that the sides are nice and flush. So that's the advantage of this Fram, this particular Fram one.
Hey, that guy was with you?
So now that I have all the sides pretty much flush, I'm gonna take this, angle it to where the holes are. So keep in mind those two holes at the bottom, you know, right there. Now I'm going to angle it. Angle it in and rest it down. And you can feel it, like you can feel it's actually in the holes. You close it up and you just clip it in. Like so, and that's that. So you do want to double check the sides at the bottom, you know, just to make sure, okay, everything is flush. And even from behind on this side, let's make sure everything is flush. And this should take about 2-3 minutes, and that's that.